I want to show you how to elevate, if you want, a store-bought pasta sauce and turn it into a really nice, exquisite gourmet sauce. In here, I have, probably 2 cups of half tomatoes. They're small. You can use cherries, grapes, whatever you have. I'm going to drizzle olive oil. And of course, obviously, I have a whole head of garlic there that I just cut off the top. We're gonna roast that garlic with our tomatoes. We're gonna salt. Add a little extra oil on your garlic. Now we're gonna sprinkle this with thyme. Now we're gonna put this in an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna bring it out and show you what else I'm gonna do. This has been in the oven for 20 minutes. Now we're gonna drizzle it with balsamic vinegar. Okay. I'm gonna put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Now, I'm gonna put some pasta sauce in this pan. The type of pasta sauce doesn't matter, guys. Use whatever you buy. In the United States, I particularly like the brand Rao, R-A-O. I really like that. Rao's, really, really like that. I'm fishing out my garlic. I'm gonna let it cool a little bit. And I'm gonna dump those tomatoes in here with all the sauce. All right, we're gonna squeeze out our garlic. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. We're going to mash. This is what makes this incredibly good. I'm going to add butter to this. Let's call it a tablespoon. And now we're gonna heat this and let it simmer for a few minutes, and we can serve it. Another thing I'm gonna add to this, and obviously this is optional, is some red chili flakes. So I served mine on some penne pasta, and now let's try it. That, guys, is really, really special. I'm gonna have this recipe under the video, and it will have a link for you to go print it on my website. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you soon.